Hey tubes, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning today's awesome vlog. Curious on what I am doing today. We got a basically unpackaging for you today. If you're curious on what I got in the mail, can anybody guess what is in this brown envelope from your favorite online store, Amazon? But it's something to do with audio for my computer or my Bose, but I'm not going to tell you what this is. You're just going to have to guess what is in here today. Let's go ahead and show it on the beast, and let's open it up and see what it is. But sadly, I'm going to have to test it off camera, see what it sounds like, and how it can isolate some issues and noise from my Bose to the computer, or the computer to the Bose. Let's show you what I mean. I wish this could have came in the last week's videos, but basically, let's go ahead and unbag it, or unbox it, should I say. It's something to do with audio, basically, and yes, it's a big envelope to ship something very tiny. Let's have a sneak peek in the envelope. Can you see what's in that little brown box down there? It's basically something to do with this. That's what the title here is going to say. Ground loop, basically. And that's what this little unit is. And it's going to hopefully help with some of the audio noise when I'm having issues with my old e-machine in the Bose. Oh, and by the way, I don't know when I'm going to build the new computer yet. I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do. Okay, put that off to the side there. Of course, here's the small audio cable. And it also has some instructions right here. Very simple and very easy. Alright, go ahead and take a look at this little unit. Very tiny. And I hope this is going to help with a lot of the noise I'm having with the unit itself. Okay, that's basically what comes in the package. That's awesome. I know a lot of you are going to say, Chris, why don't you test out this little device on camera? Well, let me kind of explain to all of you. I am sorry I cannot play any music on my YouTube channel. Basically, I'm going to have to test this little device off camera to see if it's going to work for me or not. But as you can kind of see, it's a headphone jack right here and a headphone style jack right here. Now, my problem is, it would have been nice if they would have marked a input and the output on this little unit, because you don't know which side you're plugging it into and which side is the actual filter. But everything else came in this very small package, very tiny and very small, and that's all basically you get is a cable, this little guy, a wonderful package, some instructions, and that's basically about it. And it's very simple to use. Just all you do is you plug it into your audio equipment and see how well it works. But you can also probably get some better ones than this little thing. But alright, there you go. Here's basically everything right there, tubes. Well, alright then, tubes. I do apologize. I wish I can test it on camera, but sadly YouTube is finicky with copyright music and stuff like that. But basically, here's the little device itself. It's a brand new unit, and I think this is going to help with a lot of issues with the ground loop issue. Basically, here is the old e-machine right here, and basically that's going to get replaced with the new computer. But you're going to say, Chris, why don't you just hook the audio directly to your TV instead of Bose? Well, you can. That's not a problem with that. But here's the one thing I'm going to explain to all of you. When I build my new computer, I'm going to be using HDMI instead of VGA or DVI too, basically. But yeah, I think this little device is going to really help me out a lot. But basically all you do is you plug this in here, you plug this into your computer, and basically you plug it somewhere to the output. I wish it was kind of labeled input and output. It would have been kind of nice that way. Doesn't matter which way you plug it. And basically that's how it looks like. And it's a very small connector and very tiny and very compact. But yes, everything came in this little box. And that was well packaged. Are you curious? Here's some of the information if you want to look up the model. It's basically the information on the box itself. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting the new channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. Alright, catch you later. And I'll keep you up to date on how this little unit sounds.